Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Volkswagen Jetta 118 TSI, stock reference number 5518. The shape runs from the second month of 2011 and is the current shape. It has a CTHD 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. CTHD 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight. Left power door mirror, left front door appears to have no damage, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, with the left hand tail light, left boot lid garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, boot lid appears to have no damage, right hand boot lid garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent, right front door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.